Do you know that our food can influence thermogenesis process, or a process where we produce heat as a response to diet? Yes, certain component of food can induce energy release as heat. Several studies have shown this. Interestingly, protein is one of many nutrients that has been shown to induce thermogenesis. This can be achieved because when we eat protein-contained food, the protein can induce several signals in our intestine. A signal is called cholecystokinin. The cholecystokinin released by our intestine can send a signal to the brain, and the brain will induce release of certain sympathetic nerve systems, and those signals then goes to the brown fat. And one of the signals is called norepinephrine. The signals going to attach with its receptors, and in brown adipose tissue, and then that receptors will induce a protein called uncoupling protein. Yes, the protein that can have an influence on heat productions called uncoupling protein. What is uncoupling protein? Uncoupling protein is a protein that is located in mitochondria. This protein is located in the same place where we can find the enzyme ATPase. So when the electrons transferring in mitochondria, the electrons contains energy. And because it contains energy, our mitochondria has been able to make or to produce ATP using that energy. That's the function of ATPase. However, since uncoupling protein also located in the same spot, they'll be able to steal the electron transfer change and turn the energy, instead of making ATP, they're making heat. And that heat will be released, and it will increase certain temperature in our body. The investigation on this has been done in years, and it's been called diet-induced thermogenesis, or DIT. Again, the impact of diet on thermogenesis is around 10%. It's not that much if you think about it. But if you consider it as part of way of our trying to eating less calorie as possible or increasing more calorie as possible, then this thing can help. And one of component that can induce thermogenesis, if we're talking about the nutrients, is protein. It is very important to have a look on protein and see whether we or client has a sufficient amount of protein when dieting. So let's not sacrifice protein. Let's reduce calorie without really sacrificing it. Protein. That's why when we calculate energy for weight loss, we calculate protein differently. We calculate protein based on their body weight. If somebody is doing low-calorie diet, we still calculate protein in 1.1 or 1.2 gram per kilogram of body weight. While the calorie is reduced, the protein is not reduced, and that protein is helping us because they can increase thermogenesis and retain the muscle mass, which is also important in the context of weight loss. Thank you for watching the video until the end. If you are still interested to understand more about energy, appetite regulation in the context of weight loss program, please click the link at description. We have classes at Udemy for free just for you. See you!